Is the Bitcoin bottom in? Oh my God. What should you expect next? We're going to look at this today and we will figure this out together. Let's do it. What's going on, my free thinking rebels? It is I, your host, Stefan Subero, the Holistic Growth Mentor. Here at Breakout Solutions, we are on a mission to help individuals, busy parents, entrepreneurs, business owners, just like yourself, safely enter, invest, diversify into the crypto space, generate passive income, and create a legacy for yourself, your family, and your community. So if you are joining me for the first time, take a minute, please, right now, go down to the subscribe button. Just gently tap it for me. Just rub it, just like that. Just like that. Okay, that's good. And now make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content that I bring to you every single week. So what is happening right now in the crypto space? What is going on specifically with Bitcoin, and why I personally believe that we have reached the bottom, a reversal is coming. I'm going to show you this right now. We're going to jump into the charts, analyze what I am seeing and why I believe soon, we will be bullish once again. Now, if we look at the Bitcoin chart right now, we're looking at it on the 4-hour time frame. We can see a very, very, very important pattern forming right now. We have a very, very solid W pattern forming on the 4-hour. Now, W patterns are normally extremely bullish patterns, which tend to be reversal signals, right? A reversal signal bringing us out of a trend back into another trend. So now that we're in a downtrend currently, this could potentially bring us into a bullish or uptrend once again. Now, what am I looking for right now? There's still some things that are missing to complete this pattern. So a W pattern, like it says, it's a W. We're looking for a W. And normally we have this first side of the W has already formed. We have been getting this rejection off of this resistance right now. Now, what I am seeing is, and again, this is what could be, this could play out for the next week, 2 weeks, even a month. We can see this reversal coming down to form this next section of the W, and then we'll reverse back up to the upside. What is the target if we do break out of this W? This is the current target. We're looking at a move potentially all the way up to 73,000. This is not just going to happen, right? We need some specific things to happen in the market for this to continue. But before I move on to that, let's take a look at some other W patterns that we've had recently, so we can kind of see the strength of the W and how it works. So if we see prior, we had another W just about a month ago, around the 19th of March. Same thing, we were in a downtrend and we had the first half of the W form, then the second half of it, same thing. This is very important for a W. The second leg of the W should not come all the way down to the first one, right? That's kind of one of the things we want to be looking out for. Now, once we did break out, we could see that we had a exact break to the top of where the target of this W was. So very, very powerful pattern if we do break out. Now I'm going to look at one more pattern, one more W pattern that we had. This was on February 28th. We could see again, we weren't in a downtrend. We had actually just come out of an uptrend. Again, doesn't happen exactly the same all the time, but we can see this was a smaller W. First leg is longer, then the second one doesn't come all the way down. Then we have a breakout. This breakout actually brought us even higher, right? This was the target of the breakout, but it brought us even higher, and then we corrected back down. So this is extremely bullish in my opinion. One more thing I want to look for, because yes, we can have a pattern, but if we don't have volume in the market to solidify this move, then potentially we will not break above these levels, right? We have some extremely strong resistances coming for us. We have this one right here at 64,000. Then we have the main 69 to 70,000 resistance. And then after that, we still have the previous top that we just created, which is around $72,000. Now, if we are to break through all of these resistances, we need volume. We need money to come into the market. And these last couple of weeks have not been very good when it comes to inflow into crypto, specifically from the Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. If we look at this right here, we can actually see that the outflow has been massive. Last couple of weeks, inflow has been very low. Outflow has increased, and we had a massive outflow last week Wednesday. We had an outflow of about $563,000. Something beautiful happened on Friday, and this is where we saw the move up in crypto. We actually had an inflow of 378,000. This could potentially mean that money will start flowing back into through the ETFs. Again, we would need to see more of these happen in the next couple of weeks. I want to see this again. I want to see these levels of inflow to really help for this move to happen. That is what we need to see, this move happening for us. And again, my friends, look, this is not going to happen this week. Again, for this W to form, we are going to see a move to the downside. We need to see that last move to the downside. But in my opinion, I believe this is the current local bottom, and now we can just expect to move up. So what should you be doing right now? Well, first of all, if you have no clue what you're doing, if you're completely new to crypto, I would recommend you just take a minute, use the link in the description, and get some guidance, get some help. You can find more about that in the links down below. If you have a bit of an idea of what you're doing, then at this stage, the best thing for you to do is what? Start getting your positions solidified. If you have money sitting on the sidelines, get that money into strong, solid, fundamental projects. This project that our community is in right now, look, we're looking at least, from where we currently are, we're looking at least a 15x on this card. That's like my first target for this one. This next project, we're looking at, let's see, 17x. Lots of opportunities, my friends. Let's just take our time now. This is what you got to do. Prepare yourself, have a solid strategy in place. Make sure you have the guidance. But look, that's all I got for you today, my free thinkers. Please drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're ready. And if you're not ready, let's get ready together. That's all I got for you, my free thinkers. I'll see you in the next one. Stefan out.